Problem 38. It says a cylinder has a diameter of 10 inches and a height 4 times its radius. What is its volume? There's two things they're trying to do here. One, do you know what a cylinder is? So we have to know what a cylinder is. Yes, again, that's like a cup you drink out of. So it looks pretty much like this. Now, it says it has a diameter of 10 inches. Well, really for this, you're going to realize all I want is the radius. So if the diameter is 10, all the way across on that circle is 10, I know this must be 5 inches as its radius, halfway. A height 4 times its radius. Well, its radius is 5, so its height is 4 times that. So it's 20. That was the second part they were trying to do to you. Try to confuse you to see, oh, instead of just giving you it's 20, can you figure it out? They're expecting you maybe to do 4 times 10 and mess up. So, now all I got to do is simply do the volume of this. The volume is basically going to be the area of your base times how many layers you have. Because I can put so many cubes in there. Volume is cubic. It's how many cubes would fit in the bottom, and then how many layers of that am I going to have. So I know the formula is pi r squared. That'd tell me the area of the base, and then times how many layers. Well, I'm going to have 20 layers. So it's going to be your height. That's the formula that's on your sheet. But again, I want you to sort of understand where does that formula come from. So now, pi, the radius is 5, so it's 5 squared. The height is 20, so there's 20. 5 squared is 25, so I got pi times 25 times 20. I got to do 25 times 20. Let's just grab our calculators and go at it. But think about this. Think of quarters. You got 20 quarters. Every 4 quarters makes 100, makes $1. So I got 5 things there that would form. So that's going to be 500 times the pi. And there will be the total. Now again, we could do 500 times 3.141, whatever. But this is the exact answer. We don't want an approximation. So the answer on the answer key, we would have picked 500 pi as our total volume of how many cubes would fit inside this cylinder.